Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today we're doing a walk around video and also an interior video of this lovely Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDi. It's a 4Motion technology with the R-Line spec. It's a 2018 registered car and it's covered less than 8,000 miles. It's a manual gearbox finished in the lovely tungsten silver metallic paintwork. So starting off at the front, you've got your LED daytime running lights, your full LED headlights as well, which really illuminate the dark country lanes. You also got adaptive cruise control, which is nicely built into the emblem at the front, which maintain the same distance between you and the car in front, and also decelerate for slow moving traffic. Just down the side, you've got the lovely diamond cut 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels. The privacy guards from the B pillar backwards as well, help to keep out sunlight, and also give it a sportier look as well. Just moving on to the interior at the rear, you've got the decorative inserts on the door cards and also leather as well. You've got suede inserts at the top of the door, centre armrest, a couple of cup holders and also picnic tables as well for any small passengers you've got on the board. Moving around to the rear, this car does come with front and rear parking sensors as standard, make it nice and easy to park in even the tightest of spaces. Electric tailgate also comes as an option on this car. Massive boot, plenty of room for plenty of suitcases. Centre pit folds down on itself as well if you've got the longer items. Alternatively, you can also fold down the outer seats as well. You can see just a one touch button, down it goes. Just moving on to the front of the car. As you can see, you've got your lovely R-Line badging, height adjustable with lumbar support as well, and the R-Line logo embossed onto the Alcantara inserts at the top of the seat. A lovely flat bottom multi-function steering wheel. With the R-Line comes with a stunning panoramic sunroof as well. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, click the button below for more content. That concludes your 360 walk around. In just a second, we'll jump behind the wheel and go through the technology on the inside. So you've got your multifunction steering wheel, which controls all the functions on the active info display in front of you. You can have your satellite navigation maps on there as well. And there we go, you can change the consumption and range, efficiency. There's plenty of ones to suit your choice. Let's move on to the entertainment screen. Full digital radio, plenty of storage for all your favourite stations. You also get multiple media inputs as well, a CD player, a couple of USB ports, and of course Bluetooth audio, which works nicely alongside the phone to keep you connected on the drive. You get satellite navigation as well. You can flip the map between the active info display and entertainment screen, points of interest, and the brilliant App Connect system featuring AndroidAuto and AppleCarPlay. This means you can use good apps such as Google Maps and Spotify while on the move. Just moving further down the centre console, you've got your dual zone climate control, keeps both the driver and passenger happy. And also you've got your winter pack as well, giving you heated front seats for those cold winter mornings. You've got your start-stop technology there. And also the dial to choose all your functions, and also works with the 4Motion technology for off-road capability as well. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any further questions or you'd like to book in for a test drive, give our friendly sales team, you can get them on 01270 864 452. They'll be more than happy to assist you further and also introduce you to a range of flexible finance packages to suit you. Once again, thanks very much for watching. Take care.